Hi everyone, in this session we are going to work on play and pause button. In the last session we added a playlist, add music button. This is our add music button. In this session we are going to work on our play button. Okay, now I will double click on my play button and then I will paste the code. We are going to use if statement. If the playlist, which is our list box, selected index is greater than 0, then we are going to make a media player source playlist selected index. Okay, we are going to use our path over here. Okay, string array paths. Okay, and then we are going to pass as a parameter our playlist selected index. Okay, then media player will play it. Okay, else media else our list box, which is called playlist selected index is equal 0, then media player will play the 0. Okay, the first song. Okay, now if I debug this one, now I will go to click on my media player tab. I will open it. Okay, now if I press play button, it will play the first song, it will play the first one. Okay, now you can see it's playing the first index of the list box. Okay, if I click on second, it will play from the second position.
Hi everyone, in this session we are going to make our buttons for
okay, now I have to close this one. Okay, this is for selected index. Okay, if the selected playlist selected index is greater than 0, means if we select any index on the list box, it will play that song. Okay, else it will play the 0. Okay, if it's not selected, then it will play the first song. Okay, now we have done with this. Now we are going to use our play and pause. For this we are going to use if media player dot play state is equal to Windows Media Player Lab. Okay, we are using if statement. If the media player play state is equal playing, means the video is playing, then we are going to use our button. Okay, we are going to use our button name over here. This is the play button. Okay, we are going to copy our play button name. Okay, we're gonna pass it over here. Then we are going to background image is equal, then properties dot resources. Okay, then we are going to give our image name, which is called media player pass. Okay, we are going to pass we are going to display our pass button. Okay, image. Then we are going to make our media player dot ctl controls dot pass. Okay, we are going to use this one. And else statement, in else statement we are going to pass again this one, if else, and then we are going to change it from here. If else it's the video is passed, okay, then we are going to change our background. Okay, I'm going to copy this one and paste it here. Okay, or here we are going to change the image is equal play. Okay, media underscore btn play. Then over here we are going to pass the play button. Okay, media play, like this. We also make this if statement else if. Okay, like this. Okay, now what this will gonna do, it will check if the video is playing then the background image will change to pass button, okay, and then media player CTL controls pass, okay, it will pass the music or movie, whatever. If else, okay, if the media player state is passed, okay, then the button will change to play button, and it will play the movie or music, okay. Or here we used I defined it previously that if the playlist index is greater than 0, then it will, the source media player source will be selected index, okay, playlist selected index, it will play, else it will play the first song, okay. Now we are going to check this one, okay. I'm going to start debugging. I will click on window media player tab. I will add this, okay. Now I will play.
Hi.
Now as you can see, when I clicked on play button, it show me the pass button. If I click on pass button again,
we are going to
it will play again the video.
First of all, we are
now you can see
going to make responsive UI design use.
Okay, now after that we are going to work on stop button, okay. For this we are going to use simply stop, okay, like I'll give our media player name dot ctl controls dot stop. Okay, after that first now we are going to work on our previous button, okay. Double click on previous button. For this we have to add some lines of codes for previous button, okay. Now over here we have to give our media player name, over here our list box name, which is called playlist. Okay, now we are going to use this one for previous button. If the media player state is playing, means that video is playing, then we are going to use if statement. If the playlist selected index is greater than 0, okay, if it's greater than 0, then media player CTL controls dot previous, okay, and then our playlist, which is our list box over here, list box selected index is -1, okay, it will go to -1, okay, then playlist will update, okay. Else the playlist in the selected index is equal 0, the first it will go to the first line, and then it will playlist will update, okay. This is for previous button, okay. Okay, now we are going to work on next button, okay. Double click on next button. We are going to give our media player name and our playlist. Then our media player name again, playlist, okay. Okay, now we are going to use if statement. If the playlist if the media player state is playing, okay, then we are going to use play our list box name. Selected index is less than, okay, if it's less than playlist item dot count -1, it's less than, it will count, compare it. If it's list box item is count -1, then our media player will ctl control dot next, okay, and then we are going to pass over here our list box. Selected index is +1, okay, it will increment 1, okay, then playlist will update. Else the playlist selected index is equal 0, then the playlist will update, okay. This is for our next button, okay. Now we are going to work on our fast reverse button, okay. Double click on it. For this we are going to use fast reverse. Give the media player name, media player dot ctl controls dot fast reverse. We are going to use fast reverse, and the next one we are going to use this one. We are going to for fast forward. Double click on fast forward button, media player dot ctl controls dot fast forward. We are going to use fast forward, okay. Now save your work. Okay, now we are going to work on our this button, speaker button, okay. For the speaker button, you have to double click on it, okay. We are going to use if statement. If media player dot settings dot volume is equal to 100, okay. If it's equal to 100, then we are going to use else statement as well. We are going to use over here else statement. Okay, then we are going to pass our media player again. Media player settings dot volume is equal, okay, we are going to make it 0, okay. If the volume is full, means it's 100%, then we are going to make the volume 0, okay. Else we are going back our media player volume to 100, okay. We are going to make it back to 100, okay. Now we are going to change our media player unmute button. We want to change the we are going to change the background image. Background image is equal dot resources dot, we are going to select our button, speaker button. We are going to use a volume down over here, okay. And then over here we are going to make it back again to background image is equal dot resources dot media player volume up. We are going to use again up, okay, like this. save your work, click on save. Okay, now it will check if the volume is equal to 100, then the media player volume will be 0. Okay, when we clicked on button, it will change it to the 0. Okay, then it will change the background image to volume up. Okay, else the media player volume is equal 100, it will send it back to 100, and the background image will change to up. Okay, volume up. Okay, now save it. Let's test it out.
Hi everyone, in this session
I am your personal assistant. I can read email, weather report, I can search web for you, anything that you need like a personal assistant do. You can ask me question, I will reply to you.
Now I will click on this
image.
Now you can see it's mute the volume. Now if I click back, it will again, the volume will be 100%.
And don't worry, you will get this.
Okay, now it's working fine. Okay, now for our playback timer, we are going to double click on your playback timer. We are going to add a command for this. We are going to add some code for playback timer. Okay, now over here we are going to give our playback timer like playback timer dot start, and then we are going to pass our playlist name, our list box name. Then we are going to give our playback timer. Okay, now what we are going to, first of all, we are going to start our playback timer. Okay, and then we are going to use if statement. If the playlist, which is our list box selected index is less than file length -1, okay, it will increment, it will go to the next one. Okay, it will go to the next selected index. Okay, it will increment, and then playback timer will enable is equal false. Okay, then we are going to use else statement. If the playlist selected index is equal to 0, okay, then we are going to our playback timer enable is equal false, and then we are going to stop our playback timer. Okay, like this. Okay, now we have this all code. Okay, we need about the full screen, where double click on your full screen button, then we are going to add some code. Okay, we are going to use again if statement. Give the media player, if the media player state is equal playing, means that the video media player is playing the video. At that time we are going to give our media player dot full screen. We are going to use full screen is equal true. Okay, else full screen media player full screen is equal false. Okay, okay, now we save it. Okay, then we are going to test it out. Now I'm going to play.
Hi everyone.
If I click on full screen, now it will change to full screen. Now you can see it's in full screen mode. Okay, now close this one. Now we have over here track bar. Okay, for track bar, select your track bar. Okay, I gave it to name volume speed. Okay, click on the event. Okay, Then over here you can see in the event there is a scroll. Double click on scroll. Okay, now we are going to pass for our, we are going to give our media player name. We are going to give our media player name over here, media player settings, volume is equal. Then we have to give our track bar name over here, track bar dot value is equal media player setting volume is equal track bar. Okay, track bar value. Okay, this is the name of our track bar, volume speed. Okay, now save it. Okay, now let's test it out.
Hi everyone, in this session we are going to make our...
Now you can see.
Hello Salim Rasa. Good evening Salim Rasa.
For this we need 8 buttons.
Now
like
to
Hello
track bar
Salim
volume is
Rasa.
working.
Good evening Salim Rasa.
web reader, web server.
Okay, now we have done with this track bar, and now we are going to select our playlist. Okay, and then we are going to click on events. We are going to select it, index change. We are going to find selected index change. Or here you can see the double click on the selected index change. Okay, and selected index change we are going to give our media player source. Or here we are going to pass our media player name, media player URL is equal paths, which is our string. Then we are going to use our playlist selected index. Okay, it will play the selected index of the media player will play the selected index of our playlist. Okay, now save it. Now I will run it. Now I will click on play button.
Hi everyone, my name is Salim Raza. Today I brought you a course about artificial intelligence in Windows Farm application.
Now it's working fine. Now we are going to add some commands. Okay, we are going to add some grammar, and let me copy this commands from here. Or here I will comment it out because this is for media player like this. Okay, or here we are going to give our synthesizer name, which is Jarvis. Okay, we are going to give our playlist button perform click, play btn perform click. Or here we are going to use our play button also, play perform click, and then fast forward button perform click, and we are going to use fast reverse perform click, and then we are going to use our play button over here. Play button again, perform click, and then over here we are going to use our stop button. In previous we are going to use our previous button. Okay, and over here for next we are going to use our next button like this. For full screen we are going to use our full screen button name, and and then for volume down we are going to use our unmute volume button. Okay, for up we are going to use the same. For volume up we are going to use the same button, unmute volume, perform click. Exit full screen we are going to use our media player name. Okay, media player name, focus. Okay, and then we are going to use our media player full screen is equal false. Okay, it will go back to false. Okay, if the media player is full screen, then it will go back to false. Okay, now we are going to change this. I want to add music. Okay, this is the first grammar. Then I want to add video. This is also the second grammar that for media player. And then play music, playing the video or music. Okay, and a fast forward for fast forward, fast reverse for fast reverse the video. Okay, then we are going to use media player resume. Okay, we are going to create a media player resume and media player pause. Okay, and then media player stop. Okay, like this. And then we are going to use the previous grammar and next grammar. We are going to media player previous, media player next. Okay, then activate full screen mode. Okay, and then the grammar is volume down, it will mute the volume. Then volume up we are going to use again the our button, perform click. Okay, it will perform click on unmute volume. Okay, and then we are going to exit full screen. Okay, okay, this first one is clear. It will perform click. I want to add music. We have to give over here our our button name, which is called this one, playlist button. Okay, add playlist, add music button. Okay, we are going to copy this one, add music. We are going to copy this add music. We are going to perform click. Okay, and then for the play button we are going to use play btn perform click. Okay, it will perform the click on this button, play button. Okay, and fast forward it will perform click on fast forward, this one. Okay, this one. And for fast reverse it will play the perform click on this button. Okay, like this. We are going to use a media player resume, means if it's the media player state is equal pause, then it will resume. Okay, if the media player is equal pause, okay, it will go back to resume. Okay, and then we are going to use a media player stop. Okay, it will stop it will perform click on this button, stop button. Okay, and previous, this will perform click on previous button, and for next button, okay, this will click on this next button. Okay, perform click in the next button. Then we are going to say activate full screen mode. It will activate to full screen. Let me paste this under the full screen. One is making the okay, we have to pass this. Okay, this perform click. Okay, full screen perform click on exit also. Okay, exit full screen. Okay, this is for full screen, and then this is for volume up and down. Okay, volume up, when we say volume down it will mute the volume. Then when we say volume up, it will make it back to 100. Okay, now save it. Okay, let's test it out. Now I'm going to start debugging. I want to add music.
Today is Thursday.
Sorry about that. We have to add these commands, okay, to our database. Okay, double click on your database. We are going to add these commands to our default database. Okay, this is our default database. Okay, right click on your table and show the data table. Now we are going to add all these commands to our database. Okay, one by one. Okay, one by one we are going to add this to our data like this. Control C, Control V. Now save all the commands. Okay, click on save all commands. Okay, and then we are going to start debugging. I want to add music.
Choose music file from your drives.
I want to add video.
Choose music file from your drives.
Okay, now I will select multiple files. Play music.
Hi everyone, my name is Salim Razan. Today I brought you a course about artificial intelligence in Windows Form Application.
Fast forward. Fast reverse. Fast reverse. Okay. Play music.
Hi everyone, my name is Salim Razan. Today I brought you a course about artificial intelligence in Windows Form Application.
Media player pass. Now you can see it's pass. Media player resume.
This application is based on Windows Form Application.
Now it's
framework C#.
Media player
and
stop.
This course is for beginners.
We have to give this media player button over here in our perform click event. Or here we have a stop btn. Okay, we are going to give over here media player stop btn dot perform click, this one. Okay, now we are going to test it out again. play music.
Hi everyone, in this session we are going to learn about what
Stop
is
media
artificial
player.
intelligence.
Now you can see it's stopped the video.
Hi everyone, in this session we are
Media
going
player
to
next.
learn about what is artificial intelligence. This is a brief introduction about artificial intelligence. And
Media player
artificial
next.
intelligence is... Hi everyone,
Media
my
player
name is
next.
Salim Razak. Hi
Media
everyone,
player
in this
next.
session we are going... Hi everyone, in this session
Media
we
player
are going
next.
to make a... Hi everyone,
Media
in this
player
session we are
previous.
going to make... Hi everyone, in this
Media player
session we are
previous.
going to make a... Hi everyone, in this session we are going to start
Media
our
player
project.
past.
First of
Media player resume.
all, we are going to make responsive UI design
Media
user
player
interface.
full screen.
For this we need before
Media
we start
player
our
full
project,
screen.
we need a folder, images folder. In this
Activate full
images
screen.
folder I have extra icons. I have
Activate full
background
screen.
images. I have
Exit full screen.
icons for our buttons, and
Exit full screen.
don't worry, you will get it.
Now as you can see it's working fine. Let me test the media player resume.
This images folder,
Mute volume.
application.net
Volume, unmute volume.
to Visual Studio,
Now you can
basic
see it's
introduction
working,
to
unmute
Visual
volume
Studio,
and, both
introduction
mute
to
volume and
speech
unmute
recognition,
volume working
introduction to
properly.
text to speech.
I am your
Okay, this is all about the media player, a simple media player that we created with the voice command. It's working with voice command. Okay, we added some grammar, basic grammars. Okay, this is the last part of the media player. In the next session we are going to talk about the text reader. Okay, see you in next session. Bye from now.